Looking for a family-friendly escape in Egypt that combines sun, sea, and serious water park action? Let me tell you about Charmillion Gardens Aqua Park in Hurghada, a resort that has been making waves along the Red Sea coast. This all-inclusive property has built its reputation on delivering exactly what families want: endless entertainment for the kids, relaxation for the parents, and enough activities to keep everyone happy without breaking the bank. Situated in one of Egypt's most popular resort destinations, this hotel understands its audience and caters specifically to families looking for value-packed vacations, where nobody has to worry about the bill at the end of each meal or activity. When it comes to accommodations, Charmillion Gardens Aqua Park offers a variety of room types designed to suit different family sizes and preferences. The standard rooms provide comfortable sleeping arrangements with all the essential amenities you would expect from a modern resort. These rooms typically feature air conditioning, private bathrooms, and balconies or terraces where you can catch some fresh air after a long day at the water park. The decor follows a Mediterranean style that feels bright and welcoming without being overly fancy or pretentious. For families needing more space, the resort offers family rooms that can comfortably accommodate parents and children without everyone feeling cramped on top of each other. These larger accommodations often include separate sleeping areas or additional beds, making bedtime routines much easier when traveling with little ones. The suites take things up a notch with more spacious layouts, enhanced furnishings, and sometimes upgraded amenities that make your stay feel a bit more special. Many rooms offer views of either the gardens, pools, or if you are lucky, glimpses of the aqua park itself, which can be quite entertaining when you are sipping your morning coffee and watching early risers tackle the water slides. The rooms are cleaned daily by housekeeping staff, and while the furnishings might not be cutting-edge luxury, they serve their purpose well for families who plan to spend most of their time outside enjoying the facilities rather than lounging in their rooms. Climate control works efficiently, which is absolutely essential given the Egyptian heat, and the beds are generally comfortable enough to ensure you wake up ready for another action-packed day. Some accommodations also feature mini fridges stocked as part of the all-inclusive package, though the selection varies. The bathrooms come equipped with showers, and while they might not rival 5-star spa bathrooms, they provide everything needed for families to get ready each day. Storage space is adequate for unpacking suitcases, and safes are available for securing valuables, though some guests report these might come with an additional charge, so it is worth checking at reception when you arrive. The dining situation at Charmillion Gardens Aqua Park revolves around the all-inclusive concept, which means guests can eat and drink throughout the day without constantly reaching for their wallets. The main restaurant serves buffet-style meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, offering an international selection that attempts to cater to various tastes and preferences. You will find familiar options alongside local Egyptian dishes, giving you the chance to try something new or stick with what you know your kids will actually eat. Breakfast typically includes eggs prepared various ways, pastries, cereals, fruits, and hot dishes to fuel up before hitting the water park. Lunch and dinner expand the options with salad bars, hot entrees, pasta stations, and dessert selections that usually include cakes, fruits, and sometimes ice cream, which is always a hit with the younger crowd. The quality of food at all-inclusive resorts can be hit or miss, and Charmillion Gardens falls into the category of providing decent variety rather than gourmet excellence. You will not find Michelin star creativity here, but most families report finding enough options to keep everyone fed and reasonably happy throughout their stay. The resort also features additional dining venues that might include specialty restaurants offering themed nights or specific cuisine types, though availability and whether these require reservations or come with additional charges can vary. Some guests mention Italian or seafood-focused options appearing during their stays. As for bars, the all-inclusive package covers local alcoholic beverages, soft drinks, and basic cocktails at various bars scattered around the property. You will find pool bars convenient for grabbing drinks without leaving your sun lounger, a lobby bar for evening socializing, and possibly beach bars depending on the season and occupancy levels. The drinks follow the standard all-inclusive formula, with local spirits and beers being freely available while premium imported brands typically cost extra. Coffee and tea are available throughout the day, though serious coffee enthusiasts might find the quality more functional than exceptional. Snack bars and stations operate during afternoon hours, offering light bites like pizza, sandwiches, or pastries to keep hunger at bay between main meals. The service in dining areas can vary depending on how busy the resort is, with peak season sometimes meaning longer waits at buffet stations and tables being harder to secure during prime meal times. Staff generally work hard to keep up with demand, clearing tables and replenishing food stations, though the pace might feel rushed during particularly crowded periods. Now let us talk about what really sets this resort apart, the aqua park facilities. This is genuinely the star attraction and the main reason families choose Charmillion Gardens over other Hurghada options. The water park features multiple slides ranging from gentle options suitable for younger children to more thrilling rides that will get your adrenaline pumping. You will find tube slides where you can ride solo or with family members, body slides for those who prefer the direct approach, and possibly even some slides with special effects or unique designs that make each ride feel different. The slides vary in height and intensity, ensuring that both cautious swimmers and thrill seekers find something matching their comfort level. Beyond the slides, the aqua park includes various pools at different depths, allowing everyone from toddlers to adults to find appropriate water to enjoy. Shallow splash areas with mini slides and water features keep the smallest visitors entertained safely while parents watch from nearby. Deeper pools accommodate swimmers who want to actually swim laps or just float around without constantly dodging excited children. The layout typically includes a lazy river where you can drift along on inflatable tubes, providing a relaxing alternative to the more energetic slide action. Pool decks surrounding these attractions offer sun loungers, though finding available ones during peak times might require either early morning dedication or some patience. Umbrellas and shaded areas provide relief from the intense Egyptian sun, which is absolutely necessary because the heat can become overwhelming during midday hours. The aqua park operates on a seasonal schedule, sometimes closing during cooler winter months or operating reduced hours, so checking current operating times before your visit makes sense. Lifeguards are stationed around the facilities, providing an important safety presence, especially for families with children who might get overexcited and forget to be cautious. The water itself is generally well maintained with regular chemical treatments, though some guests report the chlorine smell can be strong at times. Beyond the aqua park, the resort features additional pool areas that might be quieter if you want to escape the water park excitement. These pools offer a more traditional resort pool experience where you can swim, relax, and enjoy pool bars without the constant screaming and splashing that comes with waterslide territory. Some pools might be designated as quiet zones or adult-focused areas, giving parents a break when they need some peace. The beach situation at Charmillion Gardens deserves mention because Hurghada beaches can vary significantly. The resort provides beach access, though the beach itself might be more functional than picture-perfect. The Red Sea coastline here often features rocky or coral areas rather than smooth sandy stretches, which means water shoes are practically essential for comfortable swimming. The resort typically provides a pier or cleared swimming area where guests can enter the water safely without navigating sharp coral or rocks. Sun loungers line the beach area, and while the setting offers beautiful sea views and the chance to experience the Red Sea, the beach component tends to be secondary to the aqua park as the main water attraction. Some water sports or activities might be available through the beach area, potentially including snorkeling opportunities to view the coral and fish that make the Red Sea famous, though these could come with additional costs beyond the all-inclusive package. Activities at Charmillion Gardens Aqua Park extend beyond just water-based entertainment, though let us be honest, the aqua park dominates most guests' time and attention. The resort typically features animation teams who organize daily activities and evening entertainment programs designed to keep guests engaged throughout their stay. Daytime activities might include water aerobics, pool games, beach volleyball, darts, or other group activities that encourage participation and social interaction among guests. The animation team usually speaks multiple languages and works hard to create an energetic, fun atmosphere, though your appreciation for their efforts might depend on your tolerance for loud music and enthusiastic encouragement to join activities. Evening entertainment often includes shows, live music, or themed nights that provide after-dinner entertainment for families. These productions vary in quality and style but generally aim for family-friendly content that appeals to international audiences. Some nights might feature local cultural performances showcasing Egyptian music or dance, while others lean toward more generic resort entertainment like magic shows or dance performances. For those interested in staying active, fitness facilities are available, though they tend to be more basic than what you would find at a dedicated fitness resort. Expect some cardio equipment, basic weights, and perhaps a small selection of machines rather than an extensive gym setup. Tennis courts or other sports facilities might be available depending on the resort configuration, offering another option for burning energy beyond the pools. The resort might also organize excursions or trips to nearby attractions, though these typically come at additional cost beyond the all-inclusive package. Popular options often include desert safaris, trips to historical sites, snorkeling or diving excursions to better coral reef locations, or visits to Hurghada's shopping and entertainment areas. The spa and wellness facilities at Charmillion Gardens provide an escape for adults who need some pampering and relaxation away from the high-energy atmosphere of the aqua park. The spa typically offers a menu of treatments including massages, facials, body treatments, and beauty services designed to help you unwind and recharge. These services almost always come with additional charges beyond the all-inclusive package, so budget accordingly if spa treatments are important to your vacation plans. The massage options usually range from traditional relaxation massages to more specialized treatments that might incorporate local techniques or ingredients. Prices tend to be reasonable compared to Western spa rates, making treatments more accessible for guests who might not regularly indulge in such services at home. The spa area often includes additional facilities like a sauna, steam room, or jacuzzi that might be complimentary or available for a small fee depending on the resort's current policies. These facilities provide therapeutic benefits and a quiet space to relax away from the crowds and noise of the main pool areas. Some spas also offer beauty services like manicures, pedicures, or hair treatments for guests who want to maintain their grooming routines while on vacation. Booking spa appointments in advance is generally recommended, especially during peak season when slots fill up quickly with guests seeking relief from too much sun or too many water slides. The spa staff typically includes trained therapists who provide professional service, though as with any spa, individual experiences can vary based on which therapist you get and your personal preferences. Wellness programs or activities like yoga classes might be offered, either as part of the animation team's schedule or through the spa facilities, providing options for guests interested in maintaining fitness routines or trying something new during their vacation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.